Declutter, declutter, declutter. You've got to declutter. Listen, if you don't declutter, then you'll always have that stuff hanging around. And to me, when you walk into a room full of clutter, it's such a pressure on you. It's such a complaint from your home on you. And it's so unfun to live in a cluttered house. So start decluttering. Declutter today, not tomorrow. Declutter now, not later. Declutter. You don't have to do it all day long. Just do it for 15 minutes or so. You need a bag for trash, a basket for put away, and a box for giveaway. Give some stuff away. Start blessing people. I am not going to accept that you're not going to declutter anymore. Get it done. You're going to feel so much better. All right, that's all I have to say today. Have a great day.